Hello, hello, grade 2. How are you? I hope you're happy and safe. Last week we have talked about how can we test and analyze materials. This week we will learn how to build objects with materials. Interesting. Are you ready, grade 2? Let's start it. So the objectives of our lesson today is to construct explanations about how an object made of small pieces can break into pieces and be made into a new object. Let's see the next page. Here we have 4 small blocks and then someone put them together to make one large block, just like this one. Again, 4 small blocks are put together to make one larger block. Let's read these claims and choose the best one. The first one. The large block has more material than all 4 small blocks. Is this true or false? It's not the best claim, I think. Let's see the next one. The large block has less material than all 4 small blocks. Is this true? It's not the best claim again. Let's see the last one. The large block has the same amount of material as the 4 small blocks. That's totally right, because there is no materials added or taken away. That's true. So this claim is the best. So please grade 2 be sure to take this claim because it's the best claim and to write your explanation here. Let's see the next page. Page number 62. We have inquiry activity. Interesting. Using cubes. We need 12 cubes to build 2 different objects. But at the beginning, let's make a claim. How will 2 objects made of 12 cubes be alike and different? What do you think, grade 2? Will the objects have the same number of cubes, grade 2? What do you think? Of course, yes. So, they are similar in the number of cubes. But how will they be different? Will they have the same shape? Of course, no. So they are different in the shape. So let's make a claim. The objects will have the same number of cubes, but will have different shapes. Interesting. Now let's make the first object using these 12 cubes. You can make any object, but I suggest for you to build I letter. It's very nice. It's the first letter of inquiry activity. So we can build I letter using 12 cubes. Go ahead, grade 2. And then when you finish, please draw your object here. Show me all 12 cubes in your drawing. How does your object look? Is it long, tall, wide, short? What do you think? It's tall and long, right? Interesting. Now, please, grade 2, take apart I letter. Take apart your first object. And then try to use the same cubes to build another object. You can build any other object with 12 cubes, the same 12 cubes you used to build I letter or the first object. I suggest to build each letter. You can build each letter or any object, just like this one. And then when you build it, please grade 2, draw the object here in this space and show me the 12 cubes. Now let's answer the questions. Question number 7. How are the two objects alike? Did you say that they have the same number of cubes? Of course, yes. If so, you are totally right, grade 2. The objects have the same number of cubes. Let's see question number 8. How are the size and shape of the objects different? What do you think, grade 2? As you see, I letter is long and H letter is short. Interesting. So in this inquiry activity, we learned how to build two different objects with the same 12 cubes. And we can make a lot of objects, not only two. Let's see the next question. Question number 9, page number 64. What did you do to make a different object? What do you think, grade 2? You know. You broke the cubes of the first object, which is I letter apart, and put them back together in a different way. Interesting. Now let's play more, grade 2. Design a few more objects using the same connecting cubes. Try to make them different shapes and size. Draw the shapes below. It's your homework, grade 2. Try to build different objects and draw the shapes here. Go ahead. That's enough for today, grade 2. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.